यूनिवर्सिटी। सो मुझे सुबह के 6 बज रहे हैं और मैं सुबह सुबह आ गया हूँ कि मुझे मंदिर जाना था। आज मम्मी का बर्थडे भी है और हैप्पी बर्थडे टू माई मॉम, लाइक अगर आप देख रहे हो तो। और आज मम्मी का बर्थडे तो मुझे जाना है मम्मी के पास एंड मम्मी के साथ मंदिर वगैरह। तो अभी सुबह सुबह मैं रेडी हो गया हूँ, तो लेट्स गो।
I've been watching you. I'll show you what it feels like now I'm on the outside. We did everything right, now I'm on the outside. I'll show you what it feels like now I'm on the outside. We did everything right, now I'm on the outside.
I don't give a fuck about you anyways. Whoever said I give a shit about you? You never share your toys or communicate. I guess I'm just a play date to you. And I don't give a fuck about you every day. Guess it's time that I tell you the truth. If I share my toys, will you let me stay? Don't wanna leave this play date with you.
सो गाइस आई एम गोना टीच यू मसल अप। तो मैं मसल अप करके दिखाता हूँ।
I can be tough, I can be strong, but with you, it's not like that at all. There's a girl that gives a shit behind this wall. You just walk through it, and I remember all those crazy things you said. You left them running through my head. You're always there, you're everywhere, but right now I wish you were here. All those crazy things we didn't think about it, just went with it. You're always there, you're everywhere, but right now I wish you were here. Damn, 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 what I do to have you here, here, here. I wish you were here. Damn, 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 what I do to have you near, near, near. I wish you were.
Figure like a pin-up, gotta figure like a doll. Don't care if you think I'm dumb, I don't care at all. Kenny Bear, sweetie pie, I wanna be adored. I'm the girl you die for.
Gotta figure like a pin-up, gotta figure like a doll. Don't care if you think I'm dumb, I don't care at all. Kenny Bear, sweetie pie, wanna be adored. I'm the girl you die for. I'll chew you up and I'll spit you out, 'cause that's what young love is all about.
I know sleep is friends with death, but maybe I should get some rest. Cause I've been out here working all damn day. Blueberries and butterflies, the pretty things that greet my eyes. When you call and I say I'm on my way. You and me belong together like cold iced tea and warm weather, where we lay out late underneath the pines, and we still have fun when the sun won't shine. You and me belong together all the time. Spilling wine and homemade drinks, we throw a cheers, the worries sink. Damn it, it's so good to be alive. We know that we don't got much, but then again it's just enough to always find a way for a good time. You and me belong together like cold iced tea and warm weather, where we lay out late underneath the pines, and we still have fun when the sun won't shine. You and me belong together. This love is all we need. Oh, we've got so much. You and me, oh, you and me belong together.
So Anji guys, I know you guys must be missing my voice, I guess. यार I literally recorded my vlog, but पता नहीं audio record नहीं हो पाया. So guys, मंदिर जाने के बाद I had ice cream जो मैं record भी नहीं कर पाया. Ice cream के बाद then I had lunch. छोले भटूरे with Diet Coke. Oh my god, I loved it man, I loved it. देख के ही पानी आ गया. इतना प्यारा खाना खाने के बाद इतना प्यारा मौसम भी हो गया कि मुझे बाहर जाना पड़ा.
Summer after high school, when we first met, we make out in your Mustang to Radiohead. And on my 18th birthday, we got matching tattoos. Used to steal your parents' liquor and climb to the roof. Talk about our future like we had a clue. Never planned that one day I'd be I was June and you were my Johnny Cash. Never one without the other, we made a pact. Sometimes when I miss you, I put those records on. Someone said you had your tattoo removed. Saw you downtown, singing the blues. Never planned that one day I'd be can't replace you with a million
बारिश में घूमने के बाद देन आई स्टार्टेड क्रेविंग समथिंग मीठा. आई हैड चॉकलेट केक 2 plates भाई. फक.
Tell her every day. Yeah, I know. When I compliment her, she won't believe me, and it's so sad to think that she don't see what I see. But every time she asks me, do I look okay? I say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are.
Then I went out in the evening for a date. मजाक कर रहा हूँ guys, डेट वेट नहीं जाता भाई मैं.
I'm just like Stephanie. Do I like her? Yeah, especially. She looks so nice to me. Do I like her? No, definitely. I'm just
Make me your radio, turn me up when you feel low. Melody was meant for you, so sing along to my stereo.
Class heroes, baby. If I was just another dusty record on the shelf, would you blow me off and play me like everybody else? If I asked you to scratch my back, could you manage that? The edge, you can trap me, I can handle that. Furthermore, I apologize for any skipping tracks. This is the last girl to play me, left a couple cracks. I used to, now I'm over that. 'Cause holding grudges over love is ancient artifacts. If I could only find a note to make you understand, I sing it softly in your ear and grab you by the hand. Just keep me stuck inside your head like your favorite tune. And know my heart's a stereo, the only place for you.
Heart is stereo, it beats for you, so listen close. Hear my thoughts in every note. Make me your radio, turn me up when you feel low. This melody was meant for you, so sing along to my stereo.
It's just a cigarette, and it cannot be that bad.
Honey, don't you love me and you know it makes me sad?
It's just a cigarette, like you always used to do.
I was different then, I don't need them to be cool.
सो बाहर से आने के बाद मैं घर पे आया. घर पे आने के बाद मैंने मम्मी का केक कट किया, एक और केक कट किया, एक और केक कट किया. देन आई हैड वेजिटेबल चाउमीन विद. फिर मैंने डोमिनो से पिज़्ज़ा ऑर्डर कर लिया. ब्रो ट्रस्ट मी ब्रो, दिस इज सो डिलीशियस भाई. देख कर पानी आने लग गया देख कर. देन आई हैड पेडीज फ्रॉम मिथिलेश पडिंकल. आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज द नेम. देन आई हैड देसी खाना जो सब खाते हैं, समोसा विद सबका फेवरेट डोसा. सो रात में एक फंक्शन में गया था, वहाँ पे मैंने खाना खाया बहुत सारे. यू कैन सी मैंने क्या खाया.